Started video of one of our product HelpDesk system. So once the product is successfully installed on client's tenant, they can come to the administration part. By default, the user who has installed the product will be an admin user. So the admin user can come to the administrations tab and they can configure different custom fields. Custom fields are the fields that organization can add into a form based on their need. They can also configure the different email templates. So these are the email notifications. So they can configure the email notification by turning them on, off. They can change the template content. The admin user can also add new admins. So they can give any administrative permission to other users. They can add new departments, categories, subcategory. We have also ability that we can also set assignee field based on department, category, subcategory. So admin can also configure the default assignee of department, category, subcategory. From the right hand side top menu, we have a setting configuration where admin can also configure certain detailed features such as form settings where they want to, if they don't want to show the visible field, they don't want to show the department field, and this all settings can be directly configured from the form settings. They can also configure the email settings from the screen. There are other theme related settings such as admin can change the name of the application which is shown here to any other organization specific name. They can change the icon. They can also configure the ticket colors. They can also set the language settings. The admin has also ability to add any FAQs. So FAQs are frequently asked questions, and admin can also change the FAQs. They can modify or add new frequently asked questions. The admin has also ability to configure the email tickets. Please note that email ticket is only available in yearly subscription of our HelpDesk system. Our IT team, our technical team will help on configuring the email tickets. Thank you. For any other help related to our product, we have a dedicated help center from where we have the detailed feature understanding knowledge base as well as FAQ present. So any new feature updates will be automatically reflected in our help center. It is all the detailed understanding of admin user, the end user, and how to use our system in an efficient way. For any other queries, feel free to reach us out. Thank you very much.